Right, so how are you all good people? You enjoying the weather? It's wonderful, isn't it? Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm like a drowned rat myself. How's your German? How's your Dutch? Right, you've got a real foreign language today, you've got British English. Okay, so the walking tour with us of Koblenz. We'd like a few more of you to come, it would be really nice. Because Koblenz is a beautiful city, it's a lovely old city, it's over 2,000 years old. It was originally founded by the Romans, and you'll see one or two little oddities from the Romans as you go around. There's a small Roman city hall that you can see about. What was that?
Lightning.
Oh, it's a lightning. Ship sinking, everybody else. Alright. And what our plan will be today will be to take you down the Mosel River here. The different guides will go different routes, everybody's different way of taking it. And into the old town and then back to here again, about an hour and a half, give or take. And you'll see a lot of history from ancient Rome, from the period when the French were here, because the French occupied Koblenz for a while. You'll get all this information from your guides anyway. And a lot of history from the Second World War, all the way up to the modern period. The Crusades, witch hunt trials, ooh, all those wonderful things. You know, those wonderful witch hunts. Why is everybody looking at the wife like that? I don't have no idea why. Yeah, it said that in the medieval era they wrote these wonderful books, and they said that all the witches were women. Books written by men, of course.
Yeah.
So we'll see a little bit about that as well. So, well, I'm not going to tell you too much about Koblenz history now. There's really better if we tell it to you when we go outside on our tour. So what I'd like you to do is forget the rain. Put your coats on, get your brollies up, and let's go and entertain you properly and show you the delights of Koblenz, because it really is a beautiful city. It's one of the jewels of the Rhine. It's the start of the upper middle Rhine Valley. It's part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and you really do not want to miss it. Okay, good. Who said they were coming before? Who didn't say they were coming? You are now. Come on, get your coats on. Come on, get your coats on, everybody. Let's go.
Are we leaving right now?